Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we will be showing you how to reformat and reinstall Windows 7 on a computer. Before we begin, please make sure that you have made a backup of all your data on a separate drive, such as a USB thumb drive or an external hard drive. The process we will be showing you will delete everything on your computer. We will not be held responsible for any data loss as a result of following this tutorial. After you have made a backup of your data, please make sure that you have a copy of Windows 7 available so you can reinstall Windows. Now turn on your computer and press F12 to bring up the boot manager. Now this might take a few tries, so keep pressing it until you see a new screen. The boot manager will show you a list of possible devices you can boot from. After you have successfully entered the boot manager, insert your Windows 7 disk. From here, look for your CD-ROM drive and type in the corresponding number and press enter. In our case, type in 3 and press enter, and the computer will boot from the CD-ROM drive. Windows will now load all the necessary files to install Windows. This may take a few minutes. When you get to the screen, click Next and then click Install Now. Now most people don't read the license terms whenever they install a program, so make sure you at least understand the basics of it. Check the box next to I accept the license terms and click Next. Since you want to reformat your computer and start fresh, click on the Custom Advanced tab. Every computer is different and can have multiple partitions for different reasons. In this case, the main partition we will be installing is Windows 7 is on the second partition of the first hard drive. If you have multiple partitions and do not know which one to install Windows 7 on, an easy way to tell is to check the total column size, which is right here, and see which partition is the largest in terms of gigabytes. In our case, partition 2 has about 64 gigabytes. So click on this partition, and then click on Drive Options Advanced. Click Format, and now before clicking OK, make sure that this is the partition that you really want to install Windows 7 on. Click OK, and then Windows will do a quick format on the selected partition. Now click Next. At this point, Windows 7 will install and there will be no more user interactions until it is finished. So go grab lunch or a cup of coffee, since this usually takes about 30 minutes or up to an hour depending on your computer. You'll know when Windows 7 finishes when a window asks you to enter in a username. When you get to this window, type in a username, and then click Next. You can set a password here for your account, or if you don't want a password, just click Next. When you get to the screen, you have the option to enter in your product key. Go ahead and enter it in, and after you're finished, click Next. Click on Use Recommended Settings. Click Next, and then click on Home Network. The installation of Windows 7 is now complete, and the system is logging you into your account. This may take a few seconds. You are now able to use your computer. In most cases, you will have to install the proper drivers for your system, but we will cover this in another tutorial. Thanks for watching.